So how does a small YouTube channel like mine with around 28,000 subscribers make around $24,783 per month? It might be surprising that a channel this small can make that much money, but I find it really boils down to making sure that as a YouTuber, you have these 4 income streams. I've noticed that most YouTubers are only relying on one income stream, like YouTube AdSense, when they really should be doing all 4 of these so that they can be making a lot more money, which means they'll be making more videos, better videos, and helping their followers on a deeper level. So what are these 4 income streams that all YouTubers should be doing? And how can you implement these? Well, I'm about to reveal all, so let's dive in. Okay, the first of 4 income streams that you should be doing as a YouTuber is affiliate links. Okay, so what are affiliate links? An affiliate link is simply a promotional link that has tracking so that you can get a certain percentage of sales by sharing that affiliate link every time someone clicks it and purchases that thing. So for example, the software I use to run my entire YouTuber business is called System.io. And since I already use the software and love the software, I went and looked and found that they have an affiliate program. And anytime I share that link and someone clicks it and purchases a tier or package through System, I'm getting 60% recurring commissions because someone came through my specific link. Every single affiliate link has specific tracking on it, so they know that the sale came from you, and all you have to do is fill out a little bit of paperwork to tell them where to send your payments to. And once you have that set up, as long as you're making consistent sales, you will be getting paid consistently automatically through your affiliate links. So how do I personally make money with affiliate links, and then how can you do this? So again, I promote things that I'm already using, like System.io or School. I simply audit all the softwares that I use, and I go and I research to see if they have an affiliate program. And then they'll tell me if they're paying out 40%, 60%, 70% commissions. Most affiliate programs will pay around 20 to 60% commissions, but programs like Amazon, I believe, only pay between like 0.5 and 2%. So you can also do something like Amazon Associates, which is Amazon's affiliate program, but you're not probably gonna make a lot of money with that unless you're selling really expensive things like camera gear or something, so that even the 1 to 3% commission is a decent amount of money. But I personally prefer to just look at the things that I'm already using. But I personally like to work with more small businesses and small software companies because they typically pay out a lot higher commissions as well. It's really a win-win for both of us, because as someone who has ran millions of dollars in paid advertising, I know that they are paying more to get a customer through paid ads than they are to pay out my 60% commissions for sending them customers. So it really is a win-win, and that's how you're able to make a lot of money from something like affiliate links. Okay, so how can you make money with affiliate links? Again, you want to audit all the things that you use. Are you using something like vidIQ or TubeBuddy, or what softwares are you using to run your channel? Or what is your channel about? What are you educating people on? Let's say that you're educating people on how to be a dog walker and you're teaching people through your channel how you became a dog walker. And maybe you can promote something like Rover and get a commission every time someone signs up to be a dog walker. This is totally just an example, but really look and audit at the things, softwares, programs, websites that you're already using and see if they have an affiliate program. And then you can create videos on those topics. Put your affiliate links in the description of all of your YouTube videos. You can put them on your website, your social profiles, and then every time someone clicks and makes a sale via your link, you are going to get automatically paid, typically within 30 to 60 days, to the account that you have set up to receive those affiliate payments from. Okay, so how much money am I making per month specifically from affiliate links? Now with System.io, I'm usually making anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 a month just from the System.io affiliate program. And then my second biggest affiliate program is School. This is pretty new to me, so I'm only making around $100 to $200 per month. I've only been using School though for maybe 1 or 2 months. So it's pretty new. I love the software though. I'm happy to promote it. And I definitely can see that my commissions with them are going to continue to grow. I do promote some other things like Webinar Jam and some other softwares, but for whatever reason, we just don't get a lot of sales for those. We still push them and mention them because that's what I use and recommend anyways. And it's nice when a random sale will come in, but those are the 2 programs that are the biggest for me. And so I'm making anywhere from about $1,000 to $2,500 or $3,000 a month from just affiliate links alone. Okay, the second of 4 different income streams that all YouTubers should be doing is brand deals. But before I get into detail with brand deals, I just want to say that if you want to start making consistent passive sales every single day, then selling digital products is where it's at. That's where I make the majority of my income. And I have a totally free on-demand training that will teach you how to create and sell your very own digital products for consistent passive income. It is the first link in the description below this video. Okay, so what are brand deals? I'm gonna go ahead and assume that most of you know what brand deals are because you're either a YouTuber or an aspiring YouTuber who's watching this video. And if you are either of those things, then it is highly likely that you have watched YouTube. And in doing so, you have probably seen creators push brands. They push a lot of brands like Factor, meal prep, things like that. And so when you're watching a video, someone might say, this video is sponsored by blah, 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 blah. This video is sponsored by HubSpot. This video is sponsored by Factor Meal Company or whatever. This video is not actually sponsored by those. Just letting, AI know if it crawls this video. I'm just using those as examples. But really how brand deals work is either you reach out to a brand or they reach out to you, and then you negotiate and come to a set price that they are going to pay you for XYZ output or service. So a lot of times brands will pay me XYZ to do a 60 or 90 second integration into my video. So that's where I would be talking like normal and then just say, this video is sponsored by blah, 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 and go on for 60 to 90 seconds talking about that brand and why I like them and use them and why I would recommend that you use them too. That is a brand deal. So how do I make money from brand deals? Again, typically we reach out to them or they reach out to us. We come to a set agreement of the output and service and what they're going to pay us for that. And we do that on the video. And then typically within 30 days of that video going live, that is when they will pay us. And I have someone on my team who does this, but she goes in and fills out paperwork and sets up our account. And then we are either usually paid through something like PayPal or like a direct deposit into our account. So how can you make money with brand deals? Well, I will say the more views and most importantly, engagement that you get on your videos, the more that you can and will earn from something like brand deals. So if you're just starting out your channel new and you have like 1 subscriber, I wouldn't even worry about brand deals. I would really focus on not only growing your channel, but growing a loyal follower base with good engagement from like real followers, not like bots and things like that. Because the better you get at that, the more that you're going to get paid for brand deals. And there's really 2 roads you can take. Once you feel ready, you can start reaching out to brands, or you can just focus on making your channel so good that people cannot help but notice it. And then brands will also not help but notice it, and they'll want to reach out to you and ask if you want to do brand deals with them. So what happened with my channel is I didn't seek out brand deals at first. I started getting pitched a lot of brand deals, but I found that they were brands that I didn't really align with. It was a lot of brands and softwares and things that I wasn't already using, and I don't like to promote things that I'm not personally using. So what we did was we made a list of all of my ideal brands that I would want to work with, and we reached out to them. But this was at the point where brands were already reaching out to me, so I knew that my channel had value. The best month we've had so far, we had 2 secured brand deals, and we made over $3,000 in that month from those brand deals. This is something we're still working on and we're still growing. And my main focus will always just be my channel and my biggest income source, which is digital products. But I think brand deals are a really great thing too. And I do think if it makes sense as a creator, then you should at least give them a try and see if they're a good fit for you. Okay, the third income stream is digital products. Again, I've said this twice already, I think, in this video, but this is where my largest income stream is from digital products. And I cannot believe the number of YouTubers that are missing out on this income stream. Like when I say I make the most money from digital products, I mean like literally 90 to 95% of the money I'm bringing in is from digital products. Like there is such a huge opportunity. And even if you are an entertainment creator and you're not an educational creator, you can still create digital products. You could create a paid community. You could create something that's just like a fun hangout or a game. Like there's lots of different things you can create. And of course, if you're an educational creator, then it's even easier for you to come up with lots of different digital product ideas. And I'm here to tell you that your followers are ready and eager to buy from you. If they're watching video after video after video, they want to spend money with you to get deeper knowledge or more access with you. So do not sleep on digital products. Okay, what is a digital product? Now, have you ever downloaded something where you put in your name and email and you got a free PDF or a free mini course or whatever? That's a digital product. That's a free digital product. But there are things like paid digital products, like memberships, paid communities, courses, ebooks, workshops. It's anything that is digital that you are going to exchange money for that product digitally. That is a digital product. So how do I make money with digital products? Well, I have sold all types of digital products, ebooks, courses, memberships, workshops, every freaking digital product under the sun, templates, you name them, I've probably done them. But right now, my biggest focus is on my membership, Freedom Creator Club. This digital product right now is bringing in the majority of our sales. And what it does is it helps YouTubers and aspiring YouTubers to grow on YouTube and then sell digital products to their followers so that they can help their followers on a deeper level and the creator can make consistent passive income. Okay, so how much can you make with digital products? Even when my channel was like really small, like less than 5,000 subscribers, I was still making between 5 and 10K a month from digital products. And now I'm making about 20K to 30K a month just from digital products. So not including like brand deals, affiliates, like all of that kind of stuff. But I've also grown a previous business to $2 million a year with one digital product. So the limits are truly endless. And once you get your digital product selling, it really comes down to continuing to bring traffic and leads to that digital product to keep getting sales. So for me right now, we have our digital product selling really, really well. So now it's just about me creating more videos and reaching more people and growing the membership, which is so much fun. I love just focusing on making fun content and knowing that I'm helping lots of people in my membership at the same time. Okay, last but not least, number 4 income stream is something that you're probably all already doing, but I'm just gonna mention it anyways, and that is YouTube AdSense. So what is YouTube AdSense? If you're a newer YouTuber and you're not sure what this is yet, once you hit, I believe it, 4,000 public watch time hours and over 1,000 subscribers, then you can qualify, apply, and get accepted for YouTube AdSense. What this is a partner program, and every time someone runs an ad on your video, you are getting, I believe it's 50%, 40 to 60%, somewhere in there, you can Google it, of the money that the advertiser is paying YouTube. So they're essentially sharing with you their profits because those people are running ads on your channel. And YouTube, unlike other social medias, actually values their creators. What a freaking concept. That's why I love YouTube so much. So if you're not already doing the YouTube AdSense program, I'm guessing it's because you don't qualify yet. So I just want to say, keep going. I remember it being so frustrating to get those 4,000 public watch time hours. But what's crazy is once you get them, at least for me, that's when my views and everything started to just explode. And now it's so much easier to get views, and it's so worth it because working towards getting those watch time hours and subscribers, I believe actually helps you focus on creating a really good channel. So I don't think it's by mistake that YouTube made those rules and parameters. And if you are a YouTuber who is already qualified for the YouTube AdSense program, then congratulations. And one of the things I've done to try and amplify my AdSense money is simply by creating more videos. So for a really long time, I did 2 videos per week and I did make really good AdSense money. I'm still making around $1,000 to $2,500 a month with AdSense, but I did notice that when I made more videos, obviously I got more views, which meant more ads on my videos, which meant more money from the AdSense program. So if you want to multiply what you're making from AdSense, I would say number 1, really focus on what your video topics are. And if you can shift those topics, like for example, if I can every once in a while make a video about finance, which is one of the highest paid AdSense, then I might make more money that way. Or like make it about digital products, but more of a title that's like financy. You know what I'm saying? You can kind of play the game to see what are the top paid niches and make some videos around that. You can also make more volume of videos, which I believe will help you learn faster and grow your channel faster and also help you make more AdSense money. So how much can you make with AdSense? Well, right now my channel is about 28,000 subscribers and I'm making anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 a month from AdSense, which is actually better than I thought. I'm actually very happy with that. And I'm really excited to continue to grow my channel and grow my AdSense income streams from here. And again, if you want to be able to create and sell your very own digital products to your following for consistent passive income, I have a completely free on-demand training that you can access. It is the first link in the description below this video. And now that you know how YouTubers are making big money in 2024, you might be wondering how you can get started creating your own digital product for passive income step by step. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be so much more powerful. See you in the next video.